Imagine you're a brilliant social media marketing expert with a talent for creating viral social media content. We would like to create a Sarah's Home Tips and Tricks Instagram post. Each post will have a short tip or trick for the home. Ideas could include cleaning hacks, organizing ideas, home maintenance, curb appeal, quick home makeover ideas on a budget, etc. Let's generate a list of 25 tips or tricks and put them into a list that will go into a CSV file format. All right, it says I've compiled the list of 25 home tips and tricks for Sarah's Instagram post and saved them in a CSV file format. These tips cover a wide range of topics, from cleaning and organizing ideas to home maintenance and quick makeover ideas on a budget. Oh, it actually created it into a CSV file. Interesting. Okay, so now we're going to go click on that, open it up, and it has created this file here. So we don't want these second options. Now we're just going to save this or export it to a CSV. And Sarah's Home Tips and Tricks, export. Okay, so now we're going to go into Canva. And I've created here just a basic template, okay? So I've put my information in, my logo, the company I work with, my website, all the things that I want to stay static, okay? Now we're going to go down into apps, and we're going to search for bulk create. All right, we're going to click on this button, and we're going to upload a CSV, and that's the CSV that we just saved. Now we're clicking on the area that we want the information to go onto, and there's these 3 dots, and you're going to hit connect data. And just hit continue, and let's see, hopefully that writing is going to be the right size, but we're going to just hit generate, and it is going to create 25 Instagram posts here. Now obviously there might be a little bit of you might need to change the fonts or things like this, but essentially it's done all the work here. Now you've got 25 full Instagram posts that you could go into a scheduling tool and get those all scheduled. So you have essentially an entire month's worth of content in under 5 minutes. So there you go.